Go.
Jojo Rabbit is a dark comedy drama set during the final days of World War II in Nazi Germany. It follows a young boy named Jojo Betzler, who is an enthusiastic member of the Hitler Youth. His worldview is heavily shaped by propaganda, and he even imagines a goofy, exaggerated version of Adolf Hitler as his imaginary friend. Jojo's beliefs are challenged when he discovers that his mother, Rosie Betzler, is secretly hiding a Jewish girl named Elsa Kor in their home. As Jojo slowly gets to know Elsa, he begins to question everything he has been taught about hate, identity, and loyalty. The film blends humor and serious themes, showing Jojo's emotional growth as he moves from blind nationalism to empathy and understanding, ultimately highlighting the absurdity of hatred and the importance of compassion. Freedom in Jojo Rabbit is shown less as something granted by society and more as something discovered within oneself. Society in the film, specifically Nazi Germany, actually restricts freedom through propaganda, fear, and rigid ideology. Jojo, as a child, initially believes he is free because he conforms. But this is a false freedom shaped by external control. His real freedom begins when he starts questioning what he has been taught, especially through his interactions with Elsa. This suggests that genuine freedom is internal. It emerges when a person critically reflects, chooses empathy over indoctrination, and forms their own moral understanding despite societal pressure. The film portrays death not only as a physical end but as a transformation of meaning, identity, and belief. The most striking example is the death of Jojo's mother, Rosie, which shatters his emotional world and forces him to confront the harsh reality behind the ideology he once embraced. Her death represents the collapse of innocence and blind nationalism, pushing Jojo toward maturity. At the same time, the death of Jojo's imaginary version of Hitler symbolizes the end of his indoctrinated identity. As Jojo lets go of this figure, he sheds the beliefs tied to hatred and superiority, marking a psychological and moral rebirth rather than just loss. The film suggests that while individuals, especially children, are shaped by the beliefs imposed on them, their moral responsibility evolves as they gain awareness and the ability to choose. Jojo is not initially portrayed as morally blameworthy for his views because they are the result of intense indoctrination at a young age. However, as he encounters new perspectives, particularly through Elsa and his mother, he is gradually faced with moral choices. The story implies that responsibility grows with understanding. Once a person becomes capable of questioning and recognizing the humanity of others, they are accountable for whether they continue to uphold harmful beliefs or choose to change.